clients that we want are paying for ease of use. They don't have to worry about it. Their grass is cut when we say it's going to be cut. Cutting grass is not what you're selling, and it's what we're doing. What we want to focus on is the experience that the client has, right? So what does the estimate look like coming out of Aspire? How professional does it look? What are the back-end processes within Aspire that we can use to make sure that that client gets exactly what they're paying for? Before we started using Aspire, we were using a different software. And as with scaling business though, once we passed about $1 million to $1.5 million, it stopped giving us the clarity of data that we needed. We're on track to do 8.5 or 9 million this year. I know that's not the biggest company in the world, but to think about $9 million and that you have to get that somehow, that's a lot of money. And to be able to break that down into daily chunks of how am I gonna get that, it's a lot easier to get everybody on board that way. The 3 things that we say that are different about Precision is reliable, responsive, and right way. Aspire is the dials in the airplane telling us where to go. We're still not perfect, but we're headed that way for sure.